Hello everyone, I am Mudit and this is the third video of the game that I was showing you. And in this video I'll show you how I can put this image on the screen rather than that rectangle that I showed last time. So this is the script. This script is going to load that image and show it on the screen. So you know how it's going to be, right? Yeah, like this, exactly. So the difference is it's not just it's not just replacing the rectangle, it also scales differently. So if I reduce the window size, the size of the image also changes accordingly, but the shape of the image doesn't change. The image will remain the same shape. It will only get bigger and smaller. It won't become a square or a rectangle. It won't get longer or wider like that. So this is little different. This resizing, this aspect ratio maintaining is optional. I can specify it for individual images. So that's it for this video. In the next video I'll put fonts. I'll show you how you can put fonts and text and all that. And after that I'll show you how you can combine these images and fonts into buttons. How you can make your own buttons. So for button you basically just put the font onto an image, but you also have to detect if the cursor is above that or not. So that's a completely different thing. That detecting thing is completely different from what we know currently. So that's it for this video. I'll show you how quickly the game progresses in the next few videos. So stay tuned because the game is going to get detailed very quickly now once we have fonts and buttons ready. And thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.